Hello everyone, after a long time today I'm Cam and want to share with you amazing news. This gonna be predict loan check back this competition. So I'm trying to teach people as a beginner, if you are a beginner, how to start Kaggle competition. This video will be great for you. Here about the description. Here all the great description and the people say use, but I created fully on for beginner. So here the step by step beginner, how can you start first level, second level, third level, fourth level, and fifth and sixth is the final, the grandmaster secret move. So you can, and let's see how much people like that. So is for that is for beginner who want to learn uh, and machine learning and to want to hands-on experience Kaggle competition. Here you can come and join this competition. Also I share the public my notebook, then you can come and visit it and also learn it how impact. So come visit. This is this short video for announcement, so watch and come join and watch my notebook. And also you, if you are a beginner, if you don't know how to start and what you do, you come here and ask any question you want to ask, so I give you answer. Or anything you want to know, come this competition and find this description and you will be touch with me and we are going to step by step understand the first competition, then we are gonna be fire and try to own this competition here step by step. They're the people, they're already in top, so we're gonna to try it. Let's start.